Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean, and in this video I will be showing you 20 cool PC shortcuts to maximize productivity and work faster on your PC. There's a bonus tip at the end of the video, so watch till the end. So, to switch between open applications, you will have to press Alt Tab. To do so, you'll press the Alt button and then the Tab button. Let me open this application. Press the Alt button. You can do this on the desktop. Press the Alt button and the Tab button like that. And then you press the Tab button to move between the application. You can go to any application. Let me go to Google Chrome. So now that it is highlighting the Google Chrome window, I will simply let go of the Alt button and it will open that window. To minimize or restore all open windows, you'll have to click on the Windows key and the letter D, like that. So you can use these keys to minimize, and restore. That is Windows key plus the D button, the letter D. To quickly open File Explorer, you will have to click on the Windows key and the letter E. Press on the Windows key and the letter E, and it should open File Explorer. The more you press on the buttons, the more File Explorer windows it will open, like that. As I keep on pressing as I keep on pressing the Windows button and letter E, it opens more File Explorer windows. To quickly close the current window or application you have open, you just click on the Alt button and the F4 button, like that. Let me open a window first. So I've opened my File Explorer. I will press Alt F4, and like that, it closes the current window. To open a new window in an application, you will simply click on the Control button and the letter N. For example, let me open my File Explorer like that, and then press on Control N. Once I press on the Control N, it will open a new window in the File Explorer like that. To highlight the browser's address bar for the URL, press the Control button and the letter L. Let me go to my browser. For example, I will search here apples. Search apples. And now I want to copy this link here. I'll simply press Ctrl L. You see it highlights the link. After that, you can copy the link, you can cut the link, or you can just press enter and go to the link. Does not make sense now because I'm already in the web page, the link address. So yeah. You can open the window menu for the active application by pressing the Alt button and the space button. Let me open a window like that, maximize it, and then I'll press Alt space. You see it opens the window menu for the active window, for the active application. Now I can restore, I can minimize, and I can close the window. You can open a new browser tab in your browser by pressing the Control button and the letter T. Let me go to my browser app. Now that I've entered my browser app, I will press Control T and it will open a new tab like that. You can press another one to open a new tab and so on. You can save a document by simply pressing the button Control and the letter S. For example, you can open a Word document, and for this you'll have to have an already saved document like this one, like this one. Increase this. So it has the word subscribe. I'll enter another word. Sorry, subscribe and subscribe. So once you've done that, you can press Control S to simply save. As you can see here, it shows the status that it has saved. Let me add another word. Let me add just word to save time, and then it has saved, as you can see here. After that, you can just continue working and all that, work, 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 and then just save that. You can copy a folder by pressing Ctrl C, cut by pressing Ctrl X, and paste by pressing Ctrl V. For example, I will create a new folder in the file explorer in the drive, and then like that, create a new folder. Let me name it something else, something, and then I will cut this folder by tapping on it like that. Sorry, tapping on it, pressing Ctrl X, going to my desktop like that, then pressing Ctrl V. It will paste my folder. You can take a screenshot on your PC screen as fast as you can on your smartphone. Simply press Alt Print Screen and a screenshot of your screen will be taken like that. I'll press Alt and Print Screen. On your PC, on your keyboard, it should be PRTS on most keyboards. So I'll press that and it quickly takes a screenshot as fast as your smartphone can. So, you can permanently delete files without moving them to the recycling bin or trash. You will simply click on the file and press Shift Delete. Or click on the file, press Shift Delete, and then confirm. You see, it will permanently delete the file, and the file will not go to the bin. Just be sure it is the one you really want to delete. Otherwise, you may lose an important file, important data. So just make sure that the file you choose is really the one you want to delete, because after that, you may not be able to restore it. You can create a new folder in your current window by pressing Ctrl Shift N. Ctrl Shift N. Like that. Then you can rename your folder or rename it something again like that, and you've created a new folder. Just simply press Ctrl Shift N. You can select text or items in a direction by pressing Shift and the arrow key pointing in your chosen direction. For example, let me go to my folder, my document, my Word document, and then I'll press Shift. I want to select this word work. So I'll press Shift and then the arrow that points to the left. Like that, it should highlight the word. You can delete the word, you can cut the word, you can copy the word, and other things. But that is how you select text or items in a direction. Shortcuts for doing that. You can go shift, you can go right, left, down, and up. So you can delete entire words by pressing Control backspace to delete a word behind the text cursor, or Control delete to delete a word in front of the text cursor. For example, let me go to my Word document, and like that, let me just put my word cursor, my text cursor in the middle, like that, and then I will press Control delete to delete the word in front of the text cursor, to delete the word in front of the text cursor, and I will press Control backspace to delete the word in front of the text cursor. You can undo or redo an action by pressing Control Z for undoing and Control Y for redoing. For example, let me go to my Word document again. So let me delete the word control control delete, like that. Now I've deleted the word and I want to undo that action. I'll simply press Control Z, like that. But you then realize that you actually did want to delete the word, then you will redo the action. You'll simply press Control Y. See, Control Z undoes the action, Control Y redoes the action. You can open the system-wide search by pressing Control E and type in what you're searching for. So, for example, let me go to my File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, and then press Control E. So I press Control E, you can see here the cursor is blinking, showing you can type something. So let me type in and search for my folder, my file, whatever it is that I'm searching for. Now it's going through the whole drive, looking. You can see here where it highlights the word. It should find what you're looking for, provided you have that folder or object in the C drive. It should find it, because I remember saving a document called subscribe. But regardless, you can see it's still going through the whole drive and searching. You can open the find or search function in most applications, such as Word, by pressing Control F. For example, here, I'll go to my Word document. So I'll press Control F. It opens the navigation. I will search for a word. See here, I've typed in work, work, work. So I will search work, and it should highlight those words in the document, because you're searching. Usually can do this if maybe your document is long and you don't want to go through all the pages looking for something. So you can simply type in, you press Control F, type in what you're looking for, and then it should highlight it and go to that page where it found the word or whatever it is you are looking for. You can add a current web page to the bookmark by pressing Control D in your browser. So let me go to my browser. Let me search for something. Apples. Apples. Search. Now, in this web page, I will simply press Control D and it will add the web page to your bookmark. You simply have to rename if you wish to rename the web page and then click on Done, and then it should add the web page to bookmark. You can open and choose a task in your desktop by pressing Windows key plus the tab button. So I will press the Windows key and tab like that, and it should open the task view. You can choose the window you wish to go to. Let me choose Google Chrome like that, and that is how you can quickly access another task using task view, shortcut Windows key tab. Note that some shortcuts may work differently depending on your device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content like this posted each week.